In this video, you will see how to paste PDF image in Word document. The method works on both Mac and Windows. First, go to the PDF. Open the PDF in any PDF reader or in Chrome browser. Now let's say we have to copy paste this diagram into the Word document. To do that, first zoom and fill the screen entirely with the diagram as much as possible. Now because we just cannot right click on the diagram and copy paste it, so we will use a screenshot method. After going to the Word document, need to go to Insert tab and you will see here the option of screenshot. Click on the screenshot drop down and select the diagram that is opened in your PDF reader or Chrome browser. Now we need to remove the unwanted area of this image, and to do that, just double click on the image and you will see here the option of crop. After clicking on it, you will see this handlers. You just have to move the handler to select the area of interest, and after precisely selecting the area of interest, just double click inside the Word document outside the image. Now you can click on the image, increase or decrease the size of the image as required. If you want to move this image, go to the wrap text option and select in front of text. So you will be able to hold and move the image freely anywhere inside the Word document. This method also works with PowerPoint. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to PDF. See you again in the next one.